What if you could invest in cleaning up the planet and make money doing it? That's the promise behind carbon credits, but most people have no idea how it works. In this video, we're breaking down the carbon credit market, what it is, how legit it is, and where the real opportunities are if you want to get in early without getting scammed. One carbon credit equals 1 metric ton of CO2 emissions prevented or removed. Companies buy them to offset what they can't cut, like airlines, oil companies, even tech giants, so they fund projects like tree planting, methane capture, or carbon storage. Some of these projects are solid, others total greenwashing. That's why this market is exploding and under scrutiny. But either way, the demand is growing fast. Here's the big shift. Regulators and investors are pushing for net zero goals. That means companies either reduce emissions or buy carbon credits to cover what's left. Experts project the voluntary carbon market could hit $250 billion by 2030. Big players like Microsoft, Shell, and Amazon are already buying in bulk. So whether you care about climate or just want exposure to a growing asset class, this is a space to watch. Right now, access is limited, but growing. Here are your options. Public companies that deal in carbon projects, like South Pole or 3 Degrees. Carbon ETFs, like KRBN or GRN, which track cap and trade carbon allowances. Tokenized carbon credits via platforms like Toucan, KlimaDAO, or Flow Carbon, though these are riskier and more volatile. If you're an entrepreneur, you can build or partner on legit carbon offset projects, especially if you're in land, agriculture, or renewable energy. Let's be real, a lot of carbon credits are junk. Some projects sell the same credit twice. Others barely reduce emissions at all. Here's how to filter. Look for third-party verified credits. Gold Standard, Verra, American Carbon Registry. Avoid anything that promises get-rich-quick returns. Follow the actual data. What's being offset, how, and for how long? Because this space needs accountability and innovation. If this gave you a clearer picture of how carbon credits actually work, hit like. Drop a globe emoji if you're watching this to align your money with your values. And yeah, subscribe if you want more real talk on climate investing and market shifts that matter. So here's the bottom line. Carbon credits turn emissions reductions into a tradable asset. Demand is rising, and the market is getting real money behind it. You can invest, but you need to know where the impact ends and the hype begins. If you want to make climate action part of your portfolio, this is where to start.